The following is a public notice. Remember COVID, when prices of new vehicles soared thousands of dollars over MSRP? We could see similar market conditions be repeated the day after 25% tariffs were imposed on parts and automobiles from Canada and Mexico. Dealers anticipated price increases of up to $20,000 on new vehicles, creating market-wide concern. Those tariffs have been temporarily paused until April 2nd. If you're looking for a brand new Ford, this is no time to wait and see what happens next. Mandated to acquire at least 100 used vehicles immediately, Ford of Sumner will pay you more than anyone for your current vehicle, guaranteed. In addition, every single qualifying new Ford comes with warranty protection for life and oil changes for life, saving you thousands down the road. And for a limited time, financing as low as 3.99% and 90 days till your first payment. 2 more reasons to act now. If you wait until April, you may be looking at thousands more for the exact same Ford. Get your complimentary appraisal and cash offer today at Ford of Sumner. This message will be repeated.